Welcome everyone to the video. Again with Danny Bossa. Welcome, Danny.
Hey Steven, how are you?
Hi Danny. And for the viewers and subscribers, we have some exciting news for this channel. So maybe you start out, Danny. What's the news?
Well, the news is Steven and I are partnering up. I've been helping him a lot with his channel. I've been helping him a lot with the in the group that he has started as well. And he very much enjoys kind of the creative side and all that type of stuff. And every once in a while, he had a bit of an issue with what he felt was a language issue. So I would kind of get on board, and I'm helping him out doing more and more of those. And I'd like to do more. So we're gonna team up. The actual channel will get renamed. Instead of the TOT and Hormone Optimization HOT. We'll now keep it nice, short, and sweet. TRT and Hormone Optimization. That's it.
That's right.
Hormone Optimization. The name of the group has also just been changed today. So the group name and the channel name are going to be the same. Nothing else really changes. There's never going to be a cost to anybody. I'm going to be making an effort to find doctors that really know their stuff, kind of along the lines of Nichols, Dr. Neil Rousier, Dr. Eric Serrano, even guys in the group, Jordan Grant, Meryl Match, all these guys that really know their stuff, that I know if I refer someone to, they're going to do a good job. Nobody's paying us referral fees. We're not making any money off this at all. The only real way, if you want to help support us, is subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button. That's it. That would be great. And we're going to ensure that we keep finding more doctors to refer people to find the best information possible. I will be making more videos challenging people that make statements that are completely and utterly untrue, that go completely against literature and the studies. And if they decide that they'd like to debate it, I'll be happy to have a debate with them or bring on even other doctors to debate with them. So we're going to try to make this channel a much more interesting place that's going to be strictly TRT and hormone optimization, both for men and women. So we'll be bringing on, Angie Nichols from time to time and other people in the area to help out.
This channel used to be the Lifting Dermatologist channel. So I used to do workout related stuff, fitness, nutrition, and so on. But all those videos will stay on this side. We'll just add new videos only on hormone optimization and TRT. I have still another site that I used to run next to this one. It was my Dutch speaking channel, YouTube channel. That was also called the Lifting Dermatologist Dutch speaking channel, but that one will become just the Lifting Dermatologist YouTube channel, where I'll continue in English with all the fitness related stuff that is not hormonal. So on this channel from now on, you'll only find hormone optimization videos. Danny and I will be co-hosting a lot of these videos because I enjoy working with him together, as he just mentioned. And sometimes I'll do videos on my own. Sometimes Danny can do some of them on his own as well. And we'll try, as he said, to find the best information, only science-based, with a lot of experienced doctor on this channel. So if you want to help us out, subscribe and share this maybe with other guys that may be in need for help on their hormone optimization journey. Okay, anything else you wanted to add, Danny?
That was beautifully said. For someone who's got the language barrier, that was beautifully said. Couldn't have said that any better.
Well, I do much better in Dutch, but no one listens if I speak Dutch. I'll just get more fluent in making the same mistakes, Danny.
No, not at all. Not at all.
Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please give us a like, a thumbs up, and see you in the next videos together with Danny. Thanks.
Excellent. Have a good one.
Bye.